funny how we often visit Port Harcourt, but we rarely shoot a video at night. For some reasons, I don't just know why, but I think I was telling a friend in Port Harcourt that one of the reasons why it's so difficult to shoot in Port Harcourt is because Port Harcourt is quite very big. So which area do you even want to shoot? So those are some of the constraints we are having. But on this vlog, we decided to show you guys how Port Harcourt is at night. Is it lit like other cities we visited? And how are the activities within Port Harcourt at night? So guys, we embarked on this journey down to the GRA axis, starting from location NTA roads. We just started the journey all the way from that direction to show you guys a bit of how the city is at night. In some certain areas there were quite some light, but the town was still looking extremely dark. Yes, even when we raised our drone at night, the town was really looking dark. So we get into some certain areas, the Casablanca axis, the 416, yeah, that's 416 lounge, yeah, around those areas we will be visiting and showing you guys how the environment is at night. One thing I must say for sure, Port Harcourt looks a bit very calm, unlike the Port Harcourt I used to know. There were times in 2018, 19, even 2020, we often have some series of meetings in Port Harcourt, and the town looks a bit bubbling at night. But from what I'm seeing now, the whole place looks a bit dried and no activity so much. So what is the reason? My people of Port Harcourt, tell me, is it that cash is scarce in the town? Your governor has been restored back to his seat, so we expect that things should be bubbly and things should be happening better in Port Harcourt. So you can see that the current area we are driving at now, there is no street lights at all. The street lights are standing, but they are not working. I did really expect Port Harcourt to be this dark at night, especially the GRA axis. Yeah, I can say the town is big. You can say from NTA road, okay, no lights, or location, no lights, but down to GRA, I think it's not nice to see that the town is looking extremely dark. The only light you find around most of the areas is just the light installed by most businesses that are situated within the area. And even the areas where the street lights are even working, there seems to be very dull and very dark. So we'll be getting to more areas to show you guys how it is. And if you are new to our channel, of course, you are welcome to Arlene TV. We are your favorite travel family. Kindly do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you don't get to miss any of our videos. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We truly do appreciate your love for our channel. Yes, if you are looking for more videos of Port Harcourt, you can check our video catalog on River State or Port Harcourt. We have lots and lots of videos for you in our video catalog. So we're already in the GRA axis, like I mentioned earlier, and we are just going to be doing a drive around different areas. Quite a lot of land are situated around here. I always know that GRA is the area to have fun and enjoy yourself when you are in town, live band and the likes in some certain locations. Yeah, so that is what GRA is known for in Port Harcourt. I think that's why there's a little bit of constraint, because whenever I'm in town, I often love staying around the NTA axis and the likes, so I can easily navigate for my meetings and all. So coming down to GRA, though people who are based there will say it's not far, but we are not. When it's not your city, it's not your city. So those are some of the constraints. But today we're in GRA, the town looking a bit dull, no much activity going on, just scanty people you see here and there within the city center. So my people of Port Harcourt, if you are watching this video, kindly rep in the comment section. Tell me, is it that it's just the day I visited or what? Because this happens to be a weekend, so we expected much more activities than we are seeing. So let me know in the comment section. And is there a place you recommend for me to enjoy a good nightlife, live band, in Port Harcourt? If there's any place like that as well, do well to recommend in the comment section. We will surely visit by the time we come to Port Harcourt again. And if there are any video recommendations for us within River State, also do let us know in the comment section. So you need to stay locked down, because from Port Harcourt we will be going all the way down to Bayelsa, Yenagoa, precisely in Bayelsa State. So you need to stay locked down to the channel, because we will also be exploring Yenegua. So Port Harcourt at night, good. I was able to see how the town looks at night, even though some say, yeah, it is not the usual Port Harcourt. But let me have your thought for those who are based here at night. Again, I was also inquiring about safety in the town. Yeah, they said it's very safe. I remember as way back as 2017, 2018 when I visited with my friends. We went out and to sit out in the land, and we were there till about 3, 4. I felt like, no, we can't go. We were there till about 2 o'clock, and my friend was like, you can't go out, you can't go back now to location. Let's hang around till 4, 5, so that at least the day will be break a little before you can go. I was like, oh really? Then we was really talking about safety. But now information around, people around say, yeah, it's very safe. You can go, you can move around Port Harcourt at any time, so that's good to know, to hear that Port Harcourt is now safe at night and you can move at any time. So if you disagree with that, kindly do let me know in the comment section. Again, if you enjoy videos like this and you love to see more of this kind of videos from us, do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell. Do let us know your thought about this video in the comment section as well. And like I said earlier, do well to recommend for us if you have any place precisely you would love us to visit in Port Harcourt. Yes, quite a lot of videos will be popping up from Port Harcourt, and we would love you to stay tuned so you don't get to miss any of them at all. Yeah, so beyond the GRA axis, we are the other places in Port Harcourt one can really experience a good nightlife outside of GRA. I'm really asking for recommendation because nightlife in Port Harcourt is one thing I really do or experience when I'm in the city. So it's something I would really love to be doing whenever I'm in town. But I love to go to places that are very lively, and we're going to have a good time. I'm going to have fun. So I will really be looking forward to your recommendation in the comment section. So I look forward to your comment, guys. I look forward to your comments. So we kick the ride going very soon. We'll be returning back because we've toured almost all through the GRA axis and skeletal activities here and there, just like you can see. My recommendation again is that let the city be lit. Yes, you can see how the lights are looking. Let the city be lit. That is my high recommendation to the people of Port Harcourt. Once again, do well to help us share this video. Do well to help us recommend to your friends so they can get to see how Port Harcourt look at night. And if you're watching for the very first time, you're welcome to Arlene TV. Do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. And for returning subscribers, thank you so much. We do appreciate your love for our channel. We'll look forward to your review and comment about Port Harcourt, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.